Doing a short recording to show you what I've done. This is 8:44 on December 3rd. This is a Thursday morning, and we have OPEC news all day, but no numbers, so I wasn't worried about it. I tossed that out the window. So what I've done was this. If you look here at Nasdaq contract, it's kind of been going higher. This was yesterday, went high, and this is overnight, it went high, and so I figured we were gonna at least break the highs, which we have already. Excuse me, which we have already. I went ahead and placed a trade on the opening range. This was the first minute of trade. I think we're about to get filled here. Maybe. Hold on. I'm focusing on this trade here, making sure I get the profits.
Order filled.
Got profits. All right, so I got the profits. Now the reason why I put this line right here is because this is a high of overnight session, and so even though we did have these higher TPOs, this is all access, so we can turn around at any point. I just wanted to make sure I got the highs of overnight, which I did off the opening range. This was the first minute of market open. And the reason why I took this trade was because the first minute was at the very extreme of value. So I was told, and I was told, and not only was I told, but this was my first trade that I placed that actually worked, that if the opening range is at the extreme of value and it goes the other way, go ahead and try to take that trade because it's most likely going to be going to the upside. Now it can turn around later on in the day, but as of right now, it was just trying to push to the upside. So they have a lot of orders, unfilled orders right here, I'm guessing. Not only that, but it also helped that it lined up with POC and the halfway mark of the overnight and POC. So with all those three conditionings, um, I decided to go wrong and it paid off. Now, the reason why I put this here is because if you want a 30-minute chart, settlement is right here at 24.55, or I believe it's 24.55. Yeah, 24.55 flat. I believe I might be off by a few ticks. But then you also have volume point of control right here from the previous day's session, which it shows here, and the POC of the TPOs right here. So I spread my risk out a little bit. I figured if it was get to this, possibly we can go to the upside. I was willing to risk that amount for this gain for the highs of the day, but we haven't came there yet. So I'm gonna keep this order on as of right now because maybe we'll get there in B period, or I don't know. If we get there in B period, and it doesn't go, and it goes through this, then we might be in a downtrend. But I will take that to find out. So, and same thing over here on the ES. ES, I have not placed any trades yet. We actually started and opened up around settlement right here. The reason why I haven't taken any trades, this was the range, I believe. I had it, but the platform messed up and took it off. which is bouncing off of right now. I believe it's right here was the opening range, which is also the extreme. But the reason why I didn't take this is because it just I don't know, maybe I'm used to the Nasdaq having larger gaps, or I mean moving faster. Um, as you see, the overnight point of control and halfway mark is right here under it, so it probably would have been okay. But I decided that if it does break through all of that, it will have the power and the orders. Well, the orders would have got soaked up, but I was looking at this POC right here from the previous day's session and hoping I can rebound and go for close to overnight highs. That's what I was hoping. It still could play out that way. I have a little trouble with dealing with the ES just because I never know if I'm wrong or right for a while. It takes a long time in the ES, and the profit's different. So, which I shouldn't probably be worried about, but I believe the extra studying has been good and everything is working out. And I have the power to make this happen. So, but yeah, those are the two trades. As of now, I'm waiting for B period for my second trade if I take another trade. So we'll wait here. And if I did take this, I don't want to put it on and get filled. Yeah, I don't want to put it on and fill. I just wanted to see if it would have hit my profit target, but we're not going to do that. So see you on the next trade.